Alright, I wanted to go over the widget areas and how to do unlimited sidebars. So by default, all of the widgets are handled under Appearance and Widgets. And you'll notice there's only one sidebar. So you might be curious, how do I do unlimited sidebars? And I'll show you. So the way we add this functionality is via this cool plugin right here. It's called Simple Page Sidebars. And we have a link to this in the documentation like 4 different times, as well as we prompt that this is one of the recommended plugins when you install our theme. Under Install Plugins right here, you can click Install. And if you don't have this text link, don't worry, I'll show you how to install it just through plugins. So let's go under Plugins, and we click Add New. And all we're doing is searching, so we call Simple Page Sidebars. So obviously you could also just download it and install it from your computer right here, but it's a little easier to just search for it and then it'll be the top option. So we click Install Now. Make sure it's just this version right here, and we click, are you sure you want to? Yes. And then we'll activate it. And if you didn't activate it, you can just go under your plugins and then you'll just want to activate the plugin. So we've activated it, and to set it up, you go under Settings and you go under Reading, Settings and Reading, and there's this default sidebar, and this only shows up if the plugin's activated. And we'll select we only have 2, so it's pretty easy. We select Sidebar, click Save. And all it's saying is this is the sidebar that we're going to be replacing. So now when we go to, let's go and just say, let's edit our contact page. Now let's say we want to have a custom sidebar on our contact page. So let's go to that page, we'll edit it. Hold on one second. Let me refresh this. Alright, and then you will see this sidebar menu right here. And then it should be somewhere on the side near the top. And you'll see it'll say select a sidebar. And so you can add a new one. So this is obviously where the magic happens. So we'll enter a new one. Hold on. Let me update this page real quick. So we'll go ahead and add a new one, and then we'll call this one Contact Page Sidebar. And you could either have it unique, or you could just have the pages all have a unique sidebar. We're going to have Contact Page have its own. So we'll click Update, and then under Widgets now, you'll see that Contact now has its own. And let's go and just drop something in there real quick. I'll just drop a Twitter feed so we can see that it's been updated. And now when we update it, our contact page has its own sidebar, and then all the other pages are left alone. So let's go and just do another one for this sample page. So if we go to Pages under Sample Page, we could either select the contact page sidebar or add another one. Let's call this one Sample Sidebar. Update, and then we'll go under Widgets. And we now have another sample sidebar. And let's go ahead and just type in a text widget real quick. Call this one ta-da test. So then our contact page is still right. All of our other pages have the default one that was supplied. And then our sample page has its sidebar. So that's just how you get unlimited sidebars. It's really easy. And you can also visit the plugin page on WordPress.org. Although I kind of just went over how to set everything up. All you need to do is pick it under WordPress Settings Reading. And then you can just start adding sidebars, and then you can add content to them. So it's really easy. And then another thing on your footer widgets, just to touch on all widget areas, you can turn off the footer widgets right here, and you can also adjust how many columns you want for the footer widgets right here as well. So if you wanted 1 through 4 columns in the footer, you can adjust that here and save the options.